All right, so you read over the course outline. Let's look at it a little more carefully, just to make sure nothing was missed. Green Architecture is a class. It's a Project Lead the Way package we're going to be using. It's a STEM-based class in which we kind of use a lot of science, technology, engineering, and math. It's all part of it. Normally, when we're in school, we plan for kind of what a 50-50 mix. Half we're going to be in the computer lab doing some architectural drawing and design. Another half we're down in the woods lab doing an actual build with some of the power tools and equipment. Depending on how long the COVID-19 lasts, we have to modify it a little bit, but hopefully not. So be aware of that. Two parts. We're going to be doing some architectural drawing, probably during distance learning, and then back to school, the woods lab. So it's a half and half kind of a class. Same thing before, same formative, same summative, nothing new about those. The lab fee we'll hold off on, because again, how much time we're getting in the lab, I don't know. That I'll find out. But yes, bring to class or bring to your wherever you're doing your distance learning from, for sure, some kind of a your Chromebook. It's a definite must. The program we're going to use, it's Chromebook friendly for drawing, so Chromebook is needed. And I suggest getting a mouse. The mouse is going to make all your navigating of the program way easier. And kind of open mind. If you kind of come thinking, it's going to be an awful class, distance learning, then yes, that will be. But you kind of come with open mind, see what's going to happen. We may learn some pretty fun stuff. That's going to make it a whole lot more fun, all right? So when we're in the woods lab, we're definitely going to need to worry about a thing called personal protective equipment for safety glasses when we're in our woods lab. Should say wood shop. Why I say metal shop? It's a typo. I'll fix that. There it is. All right. Words. Gotta make sure again at your house you follow all your safety guidelines of your house. When we're in school, you follow all the student handbook rules for that one. Big thing here is you guys, is that you need to do your part in the learning process. If I post my lessons and we don't do your portion of it, it's not going to work. So you are play a critical role, especially now being a distance learner than a classroom learner. So you must do all you can do to help us get caught up. That way, when you show up to school, when school resumes, it's a seamless walk in, ready, set, go. All right. Big thing here too is make sure anything you have a question or comment concern, let me know right away. If you let things kind of go a day or two or three, you kind of backlogged. The same day you have a question on Schoology, you should have a little, where's it at? Go back to it. I can't. There it is. Up here, a little folder icon. Click that, send me a note, and I'll help you out. Okay, come on back. There it goes. So that's kind of our goal for that one. So basically, as a class, we do half learning how to build on the computer with planning, half in the lab building for real. So that's me kind of that class. This here, I'd log into this and bookmark it. It's my.sketchup.com. When you do log into it, use the sign in with Google and then bookmark that. That will show you later on in the video, but here's our class overview. Hope it makes a teeny bit more sense. If not, then it's disregard the entire video.